you can just have a look. The cargo is sitting on top of this wood. So, and these are the two stabilizers. This is also touching our hatch covers. So we are trying to more surface. I hope you people can see the birds. Oh my goodness, what a beauty, man.
Sitting there.
Oh, guys, what do you think about this vessel? Even I actually don't know. So this is the channel through which we came. So approximately approximately 12 nautical miles to the pilot boarding ground, and this is one way only. A maximum draft allowed is 11 meters, and beam should be less than 3 meters.
This time your number 1 crane will have 280, number 2 will have less. So yeah, once I go up, we will pop out.
So guys, this is the last crane we are going to load, and this crane we are going to put near to our forward part, near to the accommodation. This is the ramp which we have made for the tires. We'll put this crane on top of this ramp using our two own cranes. Say working load is 450 metric tons. So we have already rigged, you can see, and now one ship is passing, so we have stopped. Captain is there on the bridge, chief officer is down below, and second officer is there on the jetty. He is checking the clearance from the jetty for that cargo, and we are doing internal transfers. We have wing tanks, four wing tanks. We are doing the internal transfer. So this is the vessel, you can see he has decreased speed for us, and we have stopped for the moment. We are trying to correct the list. With the help of internal transfer, we are going to lift the cargo. Now the questions come, why we are doing like this? We are doing like this because if we lift this cargo using the hook, there are chances that it will twist, and the cargo may break, or so generally we are lifting the cargo, and we are landing the cargo only with ballast. So you can see chief mate is going crazy. He hasn't slept for more than 2 days, I think so. And this is the cargo. So this jib, as I've already told you, we have to put the counter weight in between this ramp, and this jib is going to sit on top of the weather deck. And stevedores are doing the lashing, welding operation. This also I have told you in the morning. Plus we can do all the internal transfer, ballasting, deblasting from the bridge itself. Bridge, we have the parameters, plus engine room, plus we have the ship's office. So that's all about. And for the moment I'm going to put, this is me, of course, you know me. And for the moment I'm going to, I was charging my battery for the GoPro, and I think it will take time, because yesterday also for lifting up it took around 3 hours for internal transfer only. So to correct the list, and let us hope for the best. Today we finish this one, and hopefully, so it's almost 3 o'clock now, and I'll go and have a sleep for around 2 hours, then I'll come back. So that's all. Stay safe, enjoy the videos. I hope you like it. What do you say, guys? These are pirates or no? These are not pirates. This is a channel. In the morning also I have told information from the agent that we are about to shift today, but hopefully, finger crossed, we don't want to shift. It's our third shifting already, and we have to shift 2 more for the next cargo which we are going to discharge. Al Dakhila, that is also heavy lift, and I think you people know much better than me now, because this is the heaviest cargo of approximately 348 tons using 2 cranes. Tandem lifting. What is tandem lifting? One is single lifting using 1 crane. Now we are doing tandem lifting with both the cranes. Right? So plenty job has to be done prior departure from here. But see you soon in Mumbai, and hopefully I hope so I'll be able to upload the videos there at Mumbai. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat dosto.
Otherwise, Dennis, finish! Pre, tama na daw yan. Punta mo, walang radyongan. Radyo? Oo, punta mo dun, tapos radyohan mo. Yawa ka! Punta mo nga dun, radyohan mo. Okay boys, okay. Go for it. We'll see you in the morning 8 o'clock. We will start push, yeah? Everybody come. Thank you. Thank you very much.
चलते जाओ.
Hi, now we're going to rest because now is already almost finished this talk.
And tomorrow is boss's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday!
Yay! 12 o'clock I will wake him up.
Yes,
We start.
Yeah. 58, no? He now old, 60 years old now.
67.
Yeah, but his face
Looks like 20 years old.
Yeah.
Don't go on, Dick. We will not vote for you. We will not vote. Go, Gali. What's up, guys? And everything's gonna be alright. Yeah! Everything's gonna be alright. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, this is cargo hold number 1, forward part. This is what we call as Australian ladder, and this is the pipe tunnel. So we are gas spraying this, and we have already checked. We are going to use the blowers. We have already checked with the explosive meter all the gases which all are there, whether it's whether it will be good for the man entry. We are going to enter it. So guys, this one is the pipe tunnel. These are the 2 ballast line. I hope you can see something. So when it was fit for man entry, me and OS Rajneesh has entered, and now we will try to inspect the ballast valve, whether it's open or closed, and then we will try to check from the bridge. Wall number is 142. So guys, mission accomplished along with the Rajneesh Paji. So ये actuator, this is the actuator, automatic, we cannot open. This is manual valve now. See, we have removed the actuator, made it manually. You can just have a look. Oh my goodness. So this one is the pipe tunnel and all the safety precautions being taken. Now our job is being done. We'll go on top. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, आप सेकेंड मिनट की स्टडी में पढ़ेंगे water tight doors. So this is the entrance for the pipe tunnel, which is touching the hull. So this is the water tight doors, and its indication whether it's closed or open we can see either from the bridge or from the ECR. So you can just have a look. Water tight doors.
Only use one crane.
So guys, this is our vessel and we are loaded, as I've already told you, with 2 mobile cranes. This will discharge at Port Mumbai and rest all cargo, small cargo, although they are also heavy lift cargo. This we are going to discharge in El Dakhila Port, Egypt. So our whole weather deck is fully occupied. Still we have to load one more heavy lift, 107 metric tons. The barge will come alongside with the help of both the cranes. Using this spreader, we are going to lift it, put onto the weather deck, and then we go to shift. In one more jetty we have to load, I think, 30 tons, 40 tons cargo. So just have a look. And the view. Of course, there's one more heavy lift over here, small one, baby vessel, and this is 167 meters, big one, heavy lift. Guys, after a hectic schedule for the port of Marghera, bye bye Port of Marghera. Next boat, Al Dakhila. Clear sir, already clear. All lines on board. But it was decommissioned by the class surveyor, so we are using 2 tugs. One is made fast aft to the center lead, and the forward one is made fast to the forward of the center lead. So this is the way we are going to go, and then turn right, and then the channel will start. Next port is Al Dakhila, which is after 4.5 days. And then next one is through the Suez, passing to the high risk area. So Amchi Mumbai. Till then, stay safe, be happy, corona free, and enjoy your life.
Yes, okay, very good. Now we are going.
Altavila.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
देखो कैसे हमें नेट मिलता है और फैमिली मेम्बर से किस प्रकार से बात की जाती है, क्योंकि पता है नेट नहीं मिलेगा नेक्स्ट 5 दिन में।
चल करता हूँ कॉल।
नहीं बात करो
करता हूँ कॉल।
देखो अपने टस्सू से बात करता हुआ
बता भाई क्या बोल रही है?
क्या
बोलती ऐसे ब्रिज तो यूट्यूब पे कहीं दिखते हैं। ये क्यों दिखा रहे हैं?
तो बोलना सब्सक्राइब करो मेरा चैनल, मैं दिखाऊंगा।
बोला जो सच में दिखाना चाहिए वो तो दिखाते हैं। यूट्यूब में तो ऐसे हजार